DJI's Flip Drone, redefining lightweight innovation. Recent leaks have revealed DJI's latest creation, the Flip Drone, a sub-250-gram marvel packed with cutting-edge technology. Expected to launch on January 16th, this drone could be a game-changer in the market, following the earlier release of DJI's Matrice 4 ET in 2025. Insights from industry insiders Igor Bogdanov, Osidal V, and Jasper Ellens highlight its strategic and technical advancements. Weighing under 250 grams, the Flip Drone avoids FAA registration requirements for recreational users, making it accessible to beginners and hobbyists. This weight threshold, previously leveraged by DJI's Mini series, broadens the Flip's appeal. It raises speculation about its positioning, whether as an enhancement to the Mini line or a flagship redefining the sub-250-gram category. The Flip's foldable architecture balances portability and functionality, catering to travelers and outdoor enthusiasts. A standout feature is its LED display above the 3-axis gimbal, offering real-time flight mode, battery life, and status updates. This simplifies in-flight feedback compared to more complex systems like the DJI Air 3S's LiDAR. Additionally, the standard inclusion of the DJI RC2 controller with its integrated display eliminates the need for a smartphone connection, streamlining the user experience for both novices and professionals. Preliminary samples suggest the Flip will deliver high-resolution imagery, vibrant colors, and excellent low-light performance. This focus on imaging excellence positions it as an attractive option for photographers and content creators seeking a compact yet powerful tool. If it rivals larger drones in quality, the Flip could set new benchmarks in its weight class. The Flip introduces unique features that distinguish it from DJI's Mini 4 Pro, targeting a different user demographic. This suggests DJI aims to fragment the lightweight drone market by offering specialized options. Its combination of portability, advanced features, and likely competitive pricing indicates a strategy to solidify its dominance in this segment. The Flip's market integration raises questions about its coexistence with the Mini series. It could signal a new direction in DJI's portfolio, blending innovations from higher-end models into lightweight designs. If successful, this strategy may redefine the sub-250-gram category while maintaining clear differentiation across DJI's offerings. The Flip could set new standards for lightweight drones, pushing competitors to innovate and benefiting consumers. Its focus on regulatory compliance and user-friendly design reflects evolving market trends and government policies. These features position the Flip as a forward-looking product that aligns with industry shifts. As the January 16th launch nears, unanswered questions about pricing, specifications, and market positioning remain. The Flip's potential lies in its ability to introduce novel features like advanced autonomous flight modes and enhanced connectivity. If it fulfills its promises, it could appeal to both recreational and professional users, reinforcing DJI's reputation for innovation. DJI's Flip Drone represents a significant leap in lightweight drone technology, combining portability, advanced features, and exceptional imaging in a compact package. Whether as a complement to or a successor of the Mini series, the Flip could reshape consumer expectations and solidify DJI's leadership in the competitive drone market. All eyes are on DJI as it prepares to unveil this groundbreaking product.